Assalamualaikum dan selamat pagi semua. Hari ini kita on the way Sekarang pukul 7 pagi. Kita on the way ke KLIA. So, kita akan ke Langkawi untuk 3 hari 2 malam. Hari ini kita nak pergi Langkawi 3 days 2 night. Kan Aris? So, apa kita punya agenda kat sana? Seafood, makan dan coklat, korel, cruise. Korel tu ibu lah. Okay, let's go. Pukul 8.25. So flight 8-9. So that's our flight. Model apa tu? 737. Oh, ini cheapest boat ni, 737-800. Okay. The second latest one, but the latest one 737-900. Yang max tu yang ada problem. So where are we going today, Mama?
Going to Langkawi.
Okay. When was the last time you guys went to Langkawi?
Me, October.
October? This year? Last year? Last year.
With Aiman. For me, probably when we went to pick up Manisa from the MRSM, like more than 10 years ago. More than 10 years ago.
Okay. So this is our first family trip together?
Yep.
Well, how do you feel, Mama?
I feel good because it's a reunion of two families. Bonding lah.
Yeah. I just want a massage really. Okay. Well, hopefully our journey will be eased.
Yes.
And everything will go okay.
Right.
Inshallah.
Lagi, Aiman, what are you looking for?
Chilling session actually.
Yeah.
Get away from work, right?
Just want to laze around,
Yes.
enjoy the sunlight,
Is there any place where you thought
enjoy seafood, have some
do
seafood.
anything you should have done?
Yes.
Okay, now I interview you. Yeah, so how's your trip back to Malaysia so far?
So far, been here for 2 weeks. So far, so good. Makan banyak. Got all the food.
What else are you missing now from your food list to eat?
Seafood. Belum try seafood lagi. So kita nak try seafood kat sana.
Stay excited go Langkawi. When's the last time you go away and live near?
Langkawi, yeah. Last time 2019 lah. So that was the last time. And looking forward lah. Have a travel Malaysia for a while. And then this is like first time our both family having holiday trip together. So it's gonna be exciting. Okay, hari ni kita try Kita try, tak pernah dengar ni. Apa ni, roti sarap burung. Burung apa tak tahu Macam pizza dah, tak nampak dah roti dah. Ni, siapa tadi yang order? Aiman. Aiman yang started. Macam mana tahu pasal sarang burung, Aiman? Where do you find out about this? Kayu? Restoran kayu?
Actually ada satu famous kat Shalam.
Oh ya ke?
Macam ni
Sama macam ni lah?
I mean I thought KL tu dia.
So, bagi review sikit, this one, rating? Not bad,
Wah, ada sedap.
Lagi
sedap kan?
Oh, maybe.
I like that part.
Dia macam pedas
Let's
sikit.
try.
I like that the eggs not.
Taste test.
Ada pedas ni mana ke? Telur.
Dia pedas sebab dia pedas ni sedap ni.
I like that it's not proposal like together, right?
Tak.
Yeah.
Oh, dia daging cincang lah. Pedas daging cincang.
Australia tak ada ni. Kalau ada burung ostrich. Kangaroo.
How is it?
Nope.
Sedap.
Bilik nombor berapa?
Kita dah sampai bilik
19.
2419. Okey, bilik kita. Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Dia kata apa tak faham. Hari 2 malam. So nice. Okay.
Okay, man. Now already, let's see what I'm okay. 2 p.m. already, yeah. Ready. Yes.
Nasi campur ya.
Sudah lapar, mana? Tak lapar. Ha? Tak lapar lah. Tapi nanti kalau nampak lauk, mesti lapar. Okay, so hopefully kita sampai because the bercuti somehow dia tutup kan 2:30 kan? Why? Kita ni
Last one dia kitchen.
last one. Janganlah. Okay, see you there. Mana? Bye. Yes. So, Kak dah pernah makan sini?
Dah pernah ada story.
Ha.
I dengan Aiman came last October lah.
Okay.
We drove all the way here.
Okay.
But the gate was closed.
Alamak.
Itu anak dia accident.
I mean the owner.
So they have to close emergency.
Okay.
Missed it lah.
Okay, so this time
So Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Kita je. Itu pun 2:30 lah. On the dot.
Actually, I didn't know cili kampung tu tutup.
Betul
Dia masing-masing. Ada check.
Siapa yang check? Ya. Ada he Oh.
Tak nak.
Okay. Tapi sini memang trend dia pukul 3 tu awal dek. Okay. Okay, rehat dulu lah. Assalamualaikum kan?
Waalaikumsalam.
Oh, I was told this is your restaurant.
Yes.
Tell us a bit about your punya restaurant so we can promote.
Well, this restaurant is built by me,
Alright.
and it's each and single thing has been done by me.
Alright. Way back,
I'm,
what year?
Well, it has been. I am doing this for last 46 years,
That's nice.
and I never slip. I always on track. And this is the thing that people think that in Langkawi or anywhere, the rice field are only for the rice field. But the rice field has lots of potential.
That's
Where the God has given you, Allah has given you a greenery is first, bouquet is around,
Yeah.
all right, scenery is third,
Yeah.
and then if you do it the right thing, using the rice paddy field, it will goes. On top of that, your food.
Okay.
You have to do it nice food, nice way,
Yeah.
and not thinking about how to cut your cost
Yeah,
and giving. You cannot compromise that. You cannot compromise.
Okay.
So that's the reason our prices are a bit high, because we are using the right thing,
The right thing.
a right product, and definitely is expensive.
What is your special dish if you can
Well,
recommend?
I am here this time is a beef rendang,
Yeah.
fish sambal.
Fish sambal. Yeah, we try it already.
Go for set. Go for set and beef rendang, fish sambal, chicken butter masala.
The rendang nice.
Oh, it is.
Masya Allah. That's good.
Inshallah. You see, this is a fusion style where I do it mix up with other ingredients to make everything different taste.
I see. Okay.
So this is how it is.
Alright.
Thank you so much
Thank you so much. So pias means what?
Pia is my wife.
I see.
Pias means love.
Yeah. Alright. Okay. So
She is my
inshallah.
wife's name, inshallah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hopefully
indeed.
meet you again.
I hope
Alright.
you see you again.
Yeah, sure. Thanks.
Cheers.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Okey, di sebelah petang kami mengambil masa lepak-lepak di tepi pantai lah. Menikmati suasana yang sangat tenang dan nyaman. Okey, di sebelah malamnya kami having dinner seafood di Persiaran Mutiara 2, Pusat dan Perdagangan Clements.
Bukan Elisha je nak.
Ya,
Asuk pun nak. Ibu pun nak.
Itu dah record for your information. Okey, ni alhamdulillah Kak, kita dapat makan sama-sama ramai. Jadi kita nak dapat komen dari orang Australia ni. Dia orang yang banyak
Craving.
Okey, craving. Okey. Silakan.
Apa?
Apa kau jangan buat tak tahu
Ni Alicia punya favourite. Susah nak apa ni kat Australia?
Butter prawn.
Butter
and
prawn.
Salted egg.
Squid.
Aris tu
Terus ada steam halia.
Steam halia
Dengan tiga rasa.
Tiga rasa Langkawi different.
Langkawi style.
Langkawi style.
Langkawi style. Jom makan.
Okay, let's review. Alicia, review. You dia ni. Tangan.
I don't need to say anything.
Okay.
Can literally look.
Okay,
Not a
tengok
single bone left.
Yeah.
Not a single shell left.
Nah.
Pinggan dia.
Not.
Chili, show the chili.
He still got a bit.
Ada a bit je, a bit je. Itu bagi Arif settle.
But literally nothing left on the table.
Nothing left
Baik, terbaik.
Nothing left
And we thought
Mula-mula ingat banyak
Itu
sangat.
pukul 12 habis tadi
Ingat nak tapau lebih banyak sangat. Habis licin.
Habis licin. Man, say something.
Dah habis.